Road them people.
Yeah, man.
John,
Go on healthy.
phone and tell me something about storage.
We show them how go on storage.
Yes.
A full point there.
Yeah, so I
Drop,
have to go sort out something there.
Start.
You see it my people?
Healthy people.
Yeah, bag get healthy already for sure. Alright.
One cocoa full basket. Watch out, catch and cook style.
You see that? Check in my people. Watch what go on. Yeah, man. Hamma, what happened to you? We are go further downstream. Alright, make we hear from Paro. Where's the Paro? You just alright, he said two did that, so. See it, people.
People.
Yeah, man.
See water dirty up there. Murder commit, people.
Yeah, man. That is it,
Murder commit, people.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Look like me having fine spear and I set back the gun for run no one more.
That is it.
Don't mind me, I work off a spear.
I saw him do it, man. Sometimes them beat all 3 fish before them come up. Pan spear. Long time them a train. And rough. Yeah, I show they want just some brighter light too. You know? Yeah, man. Throw in the water too and water dazzle up.
You done have 2 pan there already, you know, line of people. You see one fish pan they spear there already.
Yes, my people are greatness, you know. Yeah, man, I want a GoPro for my cousin people. That's when I could see where I'm going with under that too, you know. And then again, when the sea adventure then come around, my people, honestly, yeah, man, you know, I go get some epic adventure from him, man. A deep water diver, you know, my people. Them on the deep, them on the dive, fathom of water, you know, my people, with free lungs, my people. Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. He said 2 in the corner there, 2 more in the corner there. So I saw it go. That is it. One of him, man. Para, you know. Yeah.
Yes, I'm a road, the water not tree bad.
We start to eat food already. I don't know where I'm dealing. Take off them then in our bag. See peeps. That is it.
Yo, look for the good people.
See peeps.
Yo, water deep in the dog.
Yeah, man, water deep.
Like he spot one more, make him kill them people. I treat them on for the good.
3, that look like about 4.
Yeah, one nice mud fish for them.
Seeing them peeps, DJ SWICKED vlogs.
What that?
Oh, you better do it, cause right now I'm going to have to go do it too when I'm done. Yeah. Over there so dark. Yeah, man. That is a good look, my people. You see that? Watch the peeps.
Can't get no better than that.
Can't get no better than that. Take your time.
Take your time.
Yeah. I
Oh, sir.
Alright, see it, my people. Oh, you mean?
See how them want to bust out mudfish head, people?
Yeah, man.
Like, hey, then purge and nice, you know, peeps. What a wicked boy, them.
Man, just, yeah, man, yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah,
But
man.
them bore up here and
Yeah,
wicked,
man,
that's
yeah,
how I
man.
say them a wicked boy.
People.
Yeah,
yeah, man. This man used to this, man. See you all night. This man one got key, people. And then we they go dive down the whole key and full up how much in sitting and come back a land and then we there in no time, people. Believe, free long diver. Yeah, man. For real. You see me? You know how to use tank and then something there, Paro? Yeah, I know them way there. Cause more time certain dive, I see my brother Junior, them I go up on a tank, then use enough it. Cause them and there are some bad water where they can't even rise up a certain place, a pure bush. Them and they are the best, me see still, otherwise, you know, me I tell you the truth, you know. Yeah man, from you and like, and even, you see me, you know even the next. Alright people, watch that one there. Take him up.
Take him up, son.
Put him in my bag. Godfrey no chop and miss, me people. You see him? Godfrey no chop and miss.
Nice.
Yeah, you hear what my cousin say? Chop that one there, in a style. Oh.
Yes, clips.
As we telling you, you know, my people, with the things make it easier for me, you know. So don't feel away, you know, my people, because you are going on now. We figure out, say, all the night hunter and epic hunt too, because you are going to fish them more. You know, we invade them at night time. And then I run from we much unless they spot we from early. Because some of them sleep at some place where, you know. Yeah, my people. So stay tuned and watch what go on, you know. That is it, my people. Yeah, man. Respect. See the brothers them there. Good. DJ SWICKED vlogs. When you chop fish enough, you move enough, it's wicked. What you do? See the hammer them, my people, you must clear up your phone to look to content same way, you know. Yeah, my people, that is it. Ramp it all in little shallow water and a mudfish lie down in a middle of them, my people. Some fat long mudders. And when you step so I go down like a madman, you just see him flick up, pluck up, pluck up, pluck up, and left you. For skill. Cause you nah stop run till him go hide somewhere, you know, peeps. You nah see him back so easy, you know. Unless I know one little shallow stream where me believe you. Don't catch on. Catch on. Alright. Now where we are cook? We have one noodle and piece of pumpkin already, and Irish and carrot, you know. That alone can cook. You know? With scallion and thyme. Look at deepish down there. So my people are school, man. When I strap up the phone for me down, you see when I go down in the water all up in my stomach. And then where they go jam crayfish and then where them people with my land. See, yes, man. We ask them, man, carrying up on some adventure, my people, some grow up lifestyle. You see me? I normally walk on the PGR River, the Bart Planting Garden River, yeah, and then river, the Rolling River, but I never come down this far, bashes all side, like this during a night. But as youth, we walk out some of them places already when we realize where we come, you know, in a daytime. But we never really reach so far back in the night. Yeah, we always try to go near a river. You know, but through HAMMA live round here now, and we link up with the HAMMA road. That is it, my people. So stay tuned, watch what go on, you know. We there here a river trophy. Not trophy. I go now and very excellent contents give to you, my people. Excellent adventure, you know. Hunting in the night on the river. Yeah, and what the name of this river, HAMMA? Eh? When you just say big river, no name otherwise. I still the PGR. Okay, I went out back on the Bart Planting Garden River. But what with the Willowfield side? HAMMA Road. Yes, my brother, respect, you know. We're there here, man. Your face bright in the camera, the people I'm going to see and say that river. You see that, HAMMA? I say, wait, the artists are living a style, me like that. You see it? I wanna deal with down if you make the young kid here get away. People, breezy, you know. Water breezy. I dazzle a lot. You see it, my peeps? Breezy. People more want to see a crayfish show and see like crayfish look like in a water, you know, man. Honestly, you know, man. You see me? I'm just anxious to see one, but you know, take your time, Gada. You soon see one, you know. Nice driver, you know. Two big paw, and a coconut run down. That is it. Yeah, man. Alright, my peeps. Little fish a lick on my foot. I run for rescue. Alright. Watch them step on one little one again. He juggle out on my foot, my people. Try to walk. For the war to me though. That is it. Stay tuned, my people. Watch what I go on. Epic adventure. That is it. He shape like a fish with people in trick me. You have to really touch him. You know what you're not talking to me. All the while. You go a river sometime. Look like a mudfish, you know. My people. Stay tuned and watch what I go on. That for the year, you know. Show me what I go on. Show me what I go on. Show me people them what I go on. Cause they hear the machine take out, you know. Show me. Show me, no man. Take on the time with me, no man. Give me that one, then, no man. Where in there? Fat one, hold on, no man. You have to go look for him in the vein.
Check that hole over there, so go so far with the light charge. You could take your time.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Yo, take a fish bud, sir.
Show me where in there.
No, it's okay. You see how
Yeah, I want to look upon him. Seeing them people.
Movements.
You see it? That is it. Yeah.
Take him up. Big enough.
Yeah, my people.
Yeah, bad.
See him? Come in. Ah, yeah. That is it. DJ SWICKED. Excellent. Why my people ain't supposed to hear the machine they walk? Yeah, walk. I SWICKED at the bag. I need to take him up. Show him say I look for the next one, man. That's how we move. We know him did that, so we want to find him. See my people. Yeah, man, a nice chop, my people. Nice chop, you know. Yeah. Can't move again. Yeah, man. See him there? See them there, my people. You know, a night hunt, my people. River vlog. So, I go into the brightest condition when you can get, because I don't have enough equipment where, but you know, at least when my brother then here used to say you can't see him, but the darkness just stick my people, you know, so that is it, and show the moon kind of know. we don't really want him to bright up still the way there, cause we want to see two crayfish, although crayfish still come out in a moonshine for change my people. Long time I catch them like that. Yeah. Yeah, when we come up back. We walk around us so because we don't want, you see me? See them people.
Yes, please. Don't know the thing. I try not to get as much of the vlog as we can make to get.
Yeah man, for true man.
Whole heap of reasoning and teaching and everything and this stuff. Make sure you know, school name. All of who never see fish get chopped yet. You know.
That is it.
Supposed to see my shape a drop. I got here actually fully bag skin.
Alright, that's it, go on. Yeah man, me not tell them man. Crazy mud fish man. Yeah man. You know, scared me fish them, you know. Yeah, so I have to stay far and look wide and through my light no bright. I can't pick them up from far. My light the bright, I stay one corner and pick him up from the next corner, my people. Example, if I did have a hand light where I could have go so and hold the focus out there. But two, I have to strap up my light for me with my phone, with my camera light. Big up to Alex, I find the way how to turn on my camera light, Alex. Ah, I tell my brother, oh, I love how you make fun of me. You see me? You got the knowledge of power, man. I have to learn always, you know? I have to say, Alex, how you do that? Oh, that nearly look like a heel, my people, but you know, just a shadow. You see it? I want to piece of marasa go down the stream. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just want to buck them up, man. You see me? The Broadway debut. See two little one swim around in front of people, but then little, you know. I chop them little one there, you know. Oh, sir. Good. My people, stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah. How are they? Sink down machete in that head. Oh, I Lance me sink. Brother, stop the noise. I Lance me sink in that head. Machete too. How my machete for woman off? The ones in there too deep, in dead. Yeah, I can't live. I don't know what those wicked. It's wicked.
You see the gun no powerful and it's spear now. So well sharp. Boom off for that man. So I think how big fish I see man and shooting for the hill and big and thick.
Yeah man, we know that para, but you know when we over my machete, all heel tough on them, the heel a come down stream and a one touch and that dead. Ah,
I give the molly
that have to just fold up.
Can you get it in the head top till most time enough?
Let me tell you, man, see, I saw you touch them, man. Head lick, man. I must something there now, man. Everything, yeah, man, everything when me touch, I want knock, man. You know, see, they not move, man. A professional something, you know, man. You see me? You say, what fire chop? Yeah, they want to test out the last, you know. Paul Bogle Parish, you know. St. Thomas, Mother Thomas. Was. You hear about the backlocks? I say if you hear about the backlocks. Yeah, St. Thomas backlocks, you know. Yeah. Knowledge of power. St. Thomas backlocks, backlocks. Yeah. Yes, my people, you know. Yeah, man, I say it go, man. We can't definitely give you a steady focus. And my eyes, I see all the steady focus, you know, but I saw it go soon as I see one fish or glimpse one fish, or then where they are sound to get the steady focus 100, you know. Yeah, man, because I have to show you know, I kill him properly, you know. Then we are them people. So stay tuned and watch what I go on with people. The journey long, you know. So I feel no way, stay with me. With the epic adventure when it come, my peeps. Honestly, yeah, hopefully you will love that one here. Honestly. HAMMA road, where you there? HAMMA, how you do? Oh, then come in, run, come then, man. Yes, my people. Work and rest behind. What do you mean? I have all the power bank in the hand too, you know, my people are shine light, you know. You see me? Eat them, my people. Eat that. You see me, but you mold it to them finger there under this, alright? I'm showing you. See them, my people. You see me, I'm fully equipped, my people. That is it, so, you know? Yeah, man. I have to hold them good same way and protect their energy. So, that is it. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Good. That is it. See my peeps? Steady focus. That is it, mash. I gun that. So you say I can't take him? Eh? Fall, see we have them up here too. Eh. So we are jerk that one here or something. Well I know that man want beside. Yeah. That is it. Yes my people. So that's a panduck. Yeah. I forgot what Fall said that one they name the red 201. The redhead one. That Fall tell me all of them by species, you know. That is it. Jamaica hidden beauty. Wildlife. Oh you mean? Yo. Your brother out here, my brother. Respect and blessed to the team. Oh you mean? Yeah man. Big up Colossime TV, I don't know. Brother for life, same way. Respect my fam. Oh you mean? The whole team. Oh you mean? That is it. You see it, my people? That's a panduck. Alright? This name catch and cook. Alright? So you gotta stay tuned for that, my people. If you roast him or roast. Good. Yeah, that will come a river for. What you think? You see, look on the step, people, when you have step through the water. So you have to do it in order for, yeah. Don't do that, man. The man, they are sharp shooter, man. You don't know when you are asleep and I push out in your head. Oh, run him around. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that is it, my people. Check in, you know. Stay tuned and watch what go on. That is it, we're outside. You see that? Where? What? Oh. Yeah, man, a 2 food that, man. I say, 2 duck on the grill for roast meantime. I say, I have to sample it. I say, them food you fall eat and I see I'm bad and strong down there. Climb coconut tree like Godfrey as bird. You see me? Oh dear, man. Yeah, man. My channel then, man. I doubt, you know. Raj spear fishing in my boss. Big mud fish. I tell you about big mud fish, the people. So if you, yeah, breezy, you know. People dazzle up the water, you know. Yeah. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, that's sparrow, you know. Light bright, you know, my people. Water light, you know. Yeah. You don't know. See, my people. Yeah. And it's real brighter when you touch the water, you know, my people. Water, it's strength, you know. That is it. Look on. No, man, I'm a good shot. Oh.
Kill him now.
John, my people. I left my man more lip swift, you know. John, look there, sir. Oh. Left my man. 2 eager feet, you know. If you circle and through water get when I couldn't. Now this man too deep that's why I couldn't chop down, you know, you will easily chop your foot that way there. When you chop down like that, my people, so you have to make sure say when you are chop down, the water not deep where it go take the machete and swing it. Yeah. Cause when you chop down and the water deep, my people, you take the machete and swing it and ram it all in your foot. Yeah, there's nothing you can do for hold it back. These things happen to me already. It can't happen again. Nothing now. And, oh, no. Now forward. Take him up. Take him up, fella. Take him up. Take him up. Take him up. Take him up. Look at my people. Shine, shine the light. Look at my people. Shine. Yo. Could go closer, man. Yeah, man. The light can focus a little better, man. True, man. That is a scene, my people. Nice scene. I could look for a nice fish meantime, too. Yeah? I see it. Oh, man, that one they could have work, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. I watch him, man. Hold it back. We'll make a little kill there, you know.
You go close.
Feel like me I take on the side and meantime I come.
When you go close.
Yeah, yeah. Why so deeper? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Shine the light up there. Good. Look at my people. Look at my people. Up there. Hmm? Hmm? Look at my people. Yeah, man. Remember the bag them there. Alright, come in. Take your time. Come round that side of the parrot. Do it quick. Do it quick. Shine the light. Shine the light. Shine the light. Look there. Jeez, my people. Blessed love. Hundreds are galling. Where? Can't check in on him. Gone up. Yeah, man, just look wide. See if you see them ready eye boy there.
Just look. Protect we. Make you see them first.
Oh, man, I saw it work, you know. That is it, my people. Shine a light in there, so my boy. See it, my people. So nice fat mud fish there, them place, you know. Yeah. True. Shine a light, Devin. Yeah, man. True your talk. In festive. Boy, fish a lick up on me, I don't know which way to go. Young mullet, you know my people. You know my jump up there. Sound so. I make that sound there. Oh, darling, see how we. Alright. So it go. Alright. Oh no. Alright. Darling them there. How my brother chop the people? He said to one little missing. Yeah. Well, look, so.
Different set of bird move. One of them big ugly mudfish there.
I will tell you that, you know, I can't stop my shake down good in her head.
Big ugly mudfish there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
And I chop into blowing out water. Pour up, do and do. Let her wait for them to flow. Go on in the bag because the bag overweight.
Yeah? Oh, you're frightened. You're not Lance. Yo, the bad people have a road left in Lance. We are oh, God. Cha. The artists are the hunter people. You left it tool. People. People, this is how they are sweet. We said the artists are the hunter. You left it tool, people, you are going to suffer. We don't know what going to happen. Yo. Whoa, my peeps. Watch your mullet there. Come take him up for me there. Come take him up for me there. See him there? In swimming part slope and tail part me catch.
No man, I touch him again,
You know
God,
me?
free man.
In the right there.
No man, I
Yo,
touch
him
him
a go
again,
like
man.
you are going. Watch out.
If you touch him again, man.
Sure, hush man, sure.
No, oh, you're nice. God save I make certain you don't move.
Yeah, man, you look like you out for go.
Go that. Right, crocodile.
Awesome, man. You have to go hide from we, you know, man. You know, say, the crocodile, Juna send we crocodile, man, you know. Oh, dear, man. Crocodile, man, send we, man. People. Mr. Lico one there. Alright, it's showing kind of down deep on me now. And he lick to me people, so no disrespect. If you want to shoot two fat snook in the night, yeah, man, me agree with your boy Pitney. I could go down the come over see him way. Look there, sir. How are that there, sir? Look there, sir. Look what there, sir. How are that? Oh, yeah. Oh. Think it's a snook stand still as they are talk. Yeah, yeah. Alright, for a long time I don't see them at night. I don't remember how they look. And you don't see no red eye crayfish when you come? None. We soon buck one, man. We soon buck one. To show the people them say, yeah, and this we call crayfish same way on our side. Yeah. We have crayfish and janga, tambourine. But tambourine species are dead out around here, man. And if you used to have some pretty fire claw crayfish. Them pretty, but I don't know June away I see them crayfish there now.
No.
Then they used to dip on Wopilal water, no. When we go up on Wopilal water we have more than one species of crayfish we catch. You see me people? See.
That's a broad and white.
Yeah man, and see how they so grow on there so and come round there so and go up there so. I circle it same way man, we just view first from far. We no run joke. You see me? People. See it. Look that's back there, Vin. That's so. That's so. How that that's so. So you fish then trick we, you know. You know sir. See it my people. That is it. Alright my peeps, we'll trot along. Peeps. People, we are going fishing come up forward, you know. Yeah man, we are going fishing come up back on the river. So, but we just go and chop what we can chop meantime, go down and shot what we can shot meantime, go down. Yeah. And by, you know, hours coming up, seeing where some fish ready to come out then now. That is it. You know? Fish attracted to light, you know, so enough fish are going to come out when we pass. HAMMA road. What go on here, sir? Turn backyard pre and the snook then just round the corner there, sir. We must can go through somewhere, sir. How around there looks wicked? What do you mean? Crocodile mouth.
Little grass, yeah.
How down the side of stay? Ah, that's a good one.
Come and say with the light.
That's a good one, man. We have to go around there, so. Rotted. Nah, I tell you, man. Paro. Right, you have a little depth, so we have to go come down in it. What do you think? That's so shallow, yes, man. Look, shine the light, yes, sir. Yeah, quick, go look then, no? Alright, set down, alright, the gunman set down first, man. With the taller foot and everything, but let's see where my limit. Alright. Good. See it? That is it, people. We are going to cross there.
We are going to cross there.
Yeah. No, I tell you, man. Yeah. That is it. HAMMA road? Yeah, man. Happened to you? Oh, take your time, come down. Take your time. Yeah. Take your time. Man said, oh, I wet up in balls, them, because they have to go play for the field or something. Alright. That is it. Greatness, my peeps. Snook no come at them place, yeah, man.
The depth side, go down.
Yeah, part of it. Alright, do what you do meantime.
No, Ray and them, man.
Look like an innocent leaf. You know, like big water.
Yeah, I hope that's how we pass so you can live up there so too, you know, then a bamboo root thing there too.
Yeah.
You see me?
If you not go leave up there, man, just come feed up there and go down.
And good on.
Yeah.
Right too. Look on them bank in the good here, cause you don't know sometime. Crayfish.
You look like we are going from deep so cut. Cut, turn right down so we could see what I go and cut.
No man, you're so shallow man.
Land down there.
Yeah man.
Hey, land there.
See it here, just come on the surface down here, so. See land there, so no man. What's it?
Watch out.
Huh? Watch it, take your time. Mind your foot, watch your foot. Watch it.
Yeah.
We walk through water all up our neck, man, with the lance and a jam crayfish. Wicked. Yeah, you wait till me have all GoPro. I have my good light. Devin, you not tell him? Oh, brother, I say once it now go in on my mouth. Neck. I still a kill boy in them, they're wicked. At night time, I must think that easy. Neck, as I say. See my people picture, you know? Yeah, you see it? That is it. Oh, you mean my people? You see that? I say, no, hold on, man. Say that again where you sell it oil.
A fish bag gonna give me, bro?
Yo, if you...
Fish bag and bulla bag and lance. But me left lance up, so.
People, look Palmer Road. Look
Yo,
at it.
last time I got a crab with them.